Hi guys, welcome.
Hi guys, today I'm gonna do a handstand because I'm trying to do not gymnast, it's something about something, but I'm gonna do handstands. My inspiration is that guy that usually, the ball thingy, and then he takes the wooden thing and then he puts it on and then he does the one hand, and that's my inspiration. So I'm really inspired. So then we're gonna try 3, 2, 1. Wait fast. Fell within 1. Okay, I think we're rolling.
That was great, guys.
Okay, so it was a really great session.
Guys, you know I'm also a YouTuber, but I think me and my
Get
brother.
the camera back to me.
Okay, bro.
So thank you a lot for all the inspiration, and I'm not really famous. I just started, but please support me. I'm asking for a lot of support, please. I need it.
He needs it.
Please sub, like. I'll see you in the next video.
I already liked and subscribed to him.